What's up guys? Today we are here in the Civic again and I am super excited because we're going to be changing up the interior completely and I cannot wait to see what it looks like when it's done. So what it's going to be is we're going to take this super nasty old headliner, take it out and wrap it in black suede because that's going to look really good and I'm excited. Plus the little trim back there, as you see, like the light gray kind of area over there, we're going to take that out and I'm going to show you how to change it to black. The bottom one right now is fine because that's going to be a whole process. We'll do that later, but I'm just going to show you how you can change the color of your interior. So the goal for this is going to be to black out the interior, so we're going to keep getting there. And then I have special plans for the dash, which I'm going to show you in another video. But right now I'm going to show you how to take out the headliner. Alright, so for taking this off, I'm pretty sure you can tell I have some things out already. You're going to start with your sun visors. There's going to be 2 screws that are holding it in right here. Take those out. And there's 2 clips right here. You literally just turn it sideways like that and it pops out like that. So don't try to pull on them or you'll crack them in half. So you don't want to do that. So those are how you take that out. This has a cover that you just pop out with a little Phillips head, and then there's screws in there that you just take out. I don't know if you can see it, but there's 3 Phillips screws. Take that out. And then for these trims right here, they're fairly simple to take out. You just grab it like this and pull and it'll pop out of here. And it's all just clips, don't be scared, just pop it out and it'll be fine. So that's it for that. And then you have this screw right here that you take out, and then you pull this out and there's a plug behind it you have to take out. Going to the back, I'm starting to get a little backwards. Going to the back, you have 2 little clips that you have to pull out down there, and all the way back there you have a trim panel that you just pull down. Same thing, don't be scared, just pull it. And that releases everything that's holding the headliner in. Okay guys, so as you can see now I have the headliner out. I forgot to mention, you have 1 little clip over there, same thing, it just unbolts, it's somewhere over there. And then, if some of you have it, this is where the grab handle would go. And same kind of story, just 2 bolts, very simple, you pull that out. Now when you get the headliner loose, you don't have to take out these 2 panels over here, I found out. Just loosen it in the front and then pull it all the way down to like the bottom of the dash, and it'll like slide right out of there, so you can get it out through the back hatch, so that makes life a lot easier. Let's go ahead and pull it out right now. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm talking about. So I have this light gray little trim piece. This is what I'm using to paint it. I got the matte black because I tried the glossy black and it just doesn't look normal. So this makes it look more of like an OEM black kind of color. Then you just spray it and it comes out really good. This is my A-pillars. As you can see, they came out really good, look really nice. I mean, it looks like it came like that from the factory, so that makes life a lot easier. But now that I have that out, we're gonna go ahead and take the G and we're gonna go get the suede. Also, if you guys are wondering, the Infiniti is still doing really good. Put a few thousand more miles on it, still doing good. Only thing we've had to do to it is brakes and tires so far. I mean, about to replace the tires, but other than that, still running really strong, so I'm happy. Alright, so I just got back. I got, I think, enough for this of the black suede, so excited to put that on. And then you're going to want to stop. I got this at AutoZone. Just any headliner or carpet, whatever adhesive, it'll get the job done. So hopefully this works out, but let's go ahead and get back to the headliner. Okay, so I got the headliner out here, and then you're just going to pick any like little corner depending on how badly it's ripped, because mine's like really bad up here. Depends on how bad yours is, but try to pick any corner and then it just easily comes off. So we're going to take all this off, spray the adhesive, and start laying down some of the suede. Alright guys, so I already laid it down on top and I'm already really excited with how it looks because it's really cool already. I got a 5x5 sheet of this. I recommend getting at least like 6 because I'm cutting it really close, so I gotta get this right on the first time. But we're gonna lift it in half and spray one side of it with the adhesive, lay it down, and repeat for the other side, just because I gotta make sure I get this done right, and you can crease it out that way, so I'm gonna try that right now. Alright guys, so here we are with the finished product, and I gotta say I'm so excited. It looks super good. I love how the suede looks on the headliner. Now, this was actually fairly easy to do. The only trouble I had really was just the curved side when you have to, you know, do it kind of quickly because that glue sets kind of fast, and then over here you have to press in really hard to make sure that you get into those little creases so it doesn't have any lift up effects. But other than that, it was pretty easy to do. I think what I'm going to do is tuck it under a little bit and hit it with some like hot glue maybe, Then I'm going to trim it out, and I'm going to show y'all what it's like when it's all done. Alright guys, and here we are with the absolute finished product. All the holes have been cut out, and I gotta say, I just can't believe how well this came out. It looks super good. It's nice and soft too, which is cool. Really makes, I'm excited to put this back in the interior. Now, you don't have to do this, but this is just optional for what I did. I put a line of hot glue right around the edge, trimmed it just so I could tuck it under, and it's fine like that. So you don't have to do that. I mean, with the adhesive, you could just trim it around and be fine, but this is just what I like to do. So, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and install this back in the car, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, here we are with everything put back in the Civic, and I have to say, this came out awesome. It looks fantastic. Everything looks really good, and it's such an upgrade, and it looks so cool. I'm sorry, but it's so cool. Now, if you want to get this done on your car, or you want to see how it looked on the hatch, keep in mind the plastic spray that I used to black out the trim pieces and stuff like that, and the actual suede itself and the adhesive was only it was under 50 bucks. So if you want to do this at home, you definitely can. It really does not take that long, and it makes the car look awesome. That's where I'm going to go ahead and end today's video, guys. If you liked what we did with the headliner, please help me out with a like. And if you want to see what I just ordered for the Civic that we're going to put on next week, which I'm super excited about, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with everything that we're doing. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I'll see you all next week.